Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to continue on with the wide body front fender on the Foz. Guys, so last night I clamped this down, which was the episode a couple of days ago. And, I'll set you down and we'll see if it's stuck down or not. Okay. Sweet. Okay, so that is stuck down. It's probably, I don't know, half a mil to a mil gap every now and then. So that's not too bad. I'm about to go have some lunch and then I'll come back and get stuck into prepping this for gel coat. So there'll be waxing and PVA. Alright boys, I am back. It's pretty cold in here today. Nearly forgot. Remember, this is a 2-piece mould. So I need to put a divider up there. So I'm using that bit of metal that's over here somewhere. Here it is. And boys, there is a little wall there. Need to somehow get that to work. Get a bit of a gap there, so. And there. Have to get some more screws in there. I don't know if I can get that one there, but give it a go. Alright boys, quick wardrobe change. Gonna be dirty. Alright, so I minimised the gap along here. It's metal. I used to weld on this, so it's gone a bit wavy, but it's exactly the same for when I did the other side. Just clean it up and fill it in with some clay, which is in there, I think, in a bag. Here it is. It wasn't there. So fill up all those edges, fill up the mounting holes, and then we can start putting some wax on. Alright boys, so I've done along that edge. Kind of. Just do the rest with the wax. It's a lot easier to work. The really skinny bits there. And I'll just start plugging up the holes. I haven't got all that off yet. Plug that hole, fill that in, fill that in, fill that in, fill that in, fill that. Done that one. I'll just put tape on the back here. So I'll just wax that up. Stuck the tape together so it doesn't have a sticky side. Boys, it's all waxed up, ready for some PVA. So I'm going to brush that on and then wipe it so it doesn't leave brush marks like it did on the other one. As you might be able to pick up the texture, it's all brushes. Let's do it. As the brush strokes, just wiping it so we don't have all those brush strokes come through onto the piece. I'm going to have to let this dry, so this will probably be another come back at night after Marley's in bed. Which I think I'll have to do. Also, because it's so cold, I do have this little fan heater here. I'll definitely have that on tonight when I'm doing gel coat and whatnot. So hopefully that should be set by morning. The gel coat, that is. But coming up, I'm going to mix up the gel coat and apply it. Maybe even get some actual fiberglass cloth or chop strand on there. It's actually the next day. So PVA is dry, so we've got a nice skin on there. So if you've been watching for a little while and you watched my other guard, the left one, I needed 500 grams of gel coat to get a decent coverage on the guard. So hopefully I've got 500 left in there and get that set up. It is a bit cold today, so it's going to take a little bit of time to set. Pretty much I just want it to get tacky and then I'll start putting fiberglass onto it. So hopefully by the time I get back it'll get tacky and I can do that. Alright, let's see how we go with the gel coat. Alright boys, I've got 500 grams there. About to get the hardener wherever I put it. It'll be down there somewhere. Chuck probably 10 mils in. That's 15 mils per kilo, but it's pretty cold today. Then I'll brush it all in and then I'll head off to training. Alright boys, that is done. Gonna head off to training. Be back right now. Hi guys, I'm back from training. It's been 2 hours. 2 hours and it hasn't dried yet. So I'm gonna leave this episode here guys. I'm gonna pick up next episode chopping up some fiberglass, getting some resin. Just going to get a kilo tin from Bunnings. It's close, it's easy, just to get this mold done. And then we're going to go for the big supply to actually produce the pieces. Cool. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked this episode. If you did, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't. Catch you next episode. Bye.